Hello everyone, Jonathan Sweeney here of Red Sky Alliance. So today I'm going to be talking about our Cyber Threat Analysis Center, the Kibana instance that we use to search through our data sets. Specifically, we're going to be taking a look at some industry reporting. So as some of you may know, every week we report on the maritime sector, but we also report on other industries. And today I'm going to show you how we use the Cyber Threat Analysis Center to do so, excuse me. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the Kibana instance here, and I've actually already got a pre-made query that we've got saved. But if you wanted to, run your search, you could put in whatever search query terms you wanted to in this field here. So we're going to go ahead and open up my pre-made query that I've got saved here. And currently I've got my time filter set to the past 2 weeks, but if you want to take a look at a different time frame, that's up to you. Red Sky Alliance has got data going back to 2011, I believe there. So we've got quite the archive to go ahead and sift through. But I really am only looking in this case for recent and really relevant threats to the maritime industry within the past 2 weeks. So here in the search query, you can see that I've got my maritime terms that I'm querying against our CTAC data. We've got, Mediterranean, tanker, cruise, some of the bigger shipping companies here, boats, motorboat, things like that. So we've got a whole list of search terms that we're running against CTAC, but as a user, you're able to put in whatever search terms, domains, or IPs you want to associate with the industry. So if you wanted to search, the banking industry or the biotechnology industry instead, you're more than welcome to do that. And the terminology, is really up to the user. It's limited by your creativity. So, we leave it up to our users, but we're always willing to help build those industry profiles. So here we've got a couple search results, a little bit under 150 for the past 2 weeks. And we're not only searching CTAC for threats associated with the maritime industry, but we're specifically looking for malicious emails, right? That's one of the bigger threats out there. People, phishing and using malicious emails to target people. So we're looking at malicious emails, and we're also filtered to the subject line. So we only want to see threats, the shipping information or maritime information in the subject line of a malicious email. So if we start looking at our results here, we can see, we've got shipping documents here, a shipping order, a couple of results. We've got the virus total reference as well. So if you wanted to pull the actual email and start digging in and really analyzing the file itself, you can reach out to us and we're happy to help you with that. So just going through here, we can look, we got the date and some sort of general information. If we scroll down, here we can actually see that somebody is using the same subject line to target numerous people. So that would be something we would dig into pretty quickly. Also, the shipping package delivery alert looks like the same thing. Somebody's using that to target multiple people. So quickly we can identify a specific threat that is likely to affect multiple people, and we can start digging in on that again using the reference information and the email files themselves. So if we want, we can analyze this data inside of CTAC, do a sort of higher level analysis of it. And then, if we want to, we can use the reference information in the file itself to really dig in deep and go through the low level analysis and really start, digging for further context. That way, when you're going to your executives or your board, you have something solid to go and point to and say, these are the threats that are hitting our associates or people in our industry. They're likely going to come down the pipeline to us pretty quickly. And having that information allows you to then prepare and put in place the proper controls and mitigations for your team. So, this is one example of the maritime industry search. But again, the limit is really based on our users' creativity here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via phone or email. You can always visit our website at wapacklabs.com. Again, my name is Jonathan Sweeney. Thank you very much.